Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. I'm going to be showing you guys how I diffuse my curly coils and everything like that, and how I pretty much style my hair into this shape. But I highly recommend you guys watching my curly hair routine first and how I cut my hair at home, because I did cut my hair at home. I did a DIY curly haircut. I'll leave those videos in the description box down below for you guys, because that really helps like with the diffusing. Like my hair was not naturally like this shape, like I had to cut it into this really nice round shape, and with the diffusing it really helps hold it and like molds the hair. Really quick, I'm super curious, let me know in the comments down below if you guys air dry your hair, towel dry your hair, t-shirt dry your hair, or diffuse your hair. Let me know what you do with your hair in the comments. I had already did my curly hair routine and everything. This is how my hair looks, and I did let my hair like sit like this for about an hour or two, or until I was like fully done doing my makeup, because you don't want to just automatically jump into like doing like the diffusing, because if you do, you can like mess up the products that's in your hair. But you want to really let the products sit and marinate in your hair before you go in with the diffuser. It's not all the way dry, I still feel the wetness inside, but that's good because you don't want your hair fully dry, then it's not going to be really effective when you diffuse your hair. The blow dryer that I use is from Amazon and it's called Jinri. Got this a couple years back and it works really good because it has a cool setting and you can adjust the temperature to low, medium, or high. And then I had got this diffuser attachment from SHEIN, but they do sell these on Amazon too, and it really doesn't matter how you have it either. But first I like having it like this, but sometimes it just automatically goes like this, but either way it does the job. When I start it, I always have it on low, then I leave the air type on medium so it's not too hot. When I want to cool it down, I just press this button right here. So pretty much I start off by doing this. I don't put it all the way high. It's like kind of random, like when I do it, like I just make sure that this is up, and sometimes it goes down, which is fine, but I like having it up like this. Then I do this and I wait about like 20 or 10 seconds. It really depends. No, not even 10, about 20 seconds. Then I press the cool button to cool it down so the curls can like be in its final place and sit. And I just do the same thing everywhere. Sometimes I flip my head over, sometimes I do it from the side. It's like all over the place, which I am going to be demonstrating right now. I'm obviously not done, but you can tell the difference. Is more lifted and this side is more flat. Now I'm gonna start on the other side and kind of start flipping my head over. So I've been focusing too much on this side, so now I'm just gonna go on the other side and I'm gonna start flipping my head over and everything. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I do that. make sure that you don't forget the front part of your hair, because at least for me, I'd be like too focused on the back. I'd be like doing this and doing this, but really don't forget this part right here, especially if you have layers, because for me it really helps shape my face. And yeah, make sure you don't forget that part. But this is how my hair looks so far. So it's been about like 20 minutes. Usually it takes me about an hour to an hour and a half to get where I want my curls to be. And honestly, throughout the whole week, my hair gets bigger and bigger. So it's kind of like the more days I don't do it, the bigger it gets and the more voluminous it gets. But yeah, first day diffusing always looks good, but then towards like the middle and towards the end, my hair looks more bigger and more diffused. Right now I stopped just because this is the time where I start picking my hair, and this is the pick that I use. I got it from the beauty supply store and I love this pick. Like, it's not like a short pick where it's this short, you know, but I like it this long so I can go in my hair, like in my hair, not just the first surface layer of my hair, no, like really in there. So what I do is I flip my head over, then I go in, then lift up, go in, lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up. And you can see a difference already when I do that. This side of my hair is like more difficult to diffuse because sometimes the curls just don't want to curl up, and I'm gonna have to diffuse this side a little bit more. This side looks really nice, and I just go in like that, take a piece, go in like that, then do this, and it just gets more bigger and more rounder when I use this pick. So the pick and diffuser combination is the best thing that I've ever, well, one of the best things that I've ever done with my hair, because now look, I know y'all see my before and after. Like, it literally makes like the biggest difference. And you don't want to like comb through, it's just like a little tug like that. Sometimes you lift it up. And then I flip my head over. I'll just do that. And I prefer flipping my head over most of the time because it really gets in there and makes my hair look more voluminous and more bigger. Excuse how the audio was for the last like 2 minutes or whatever, how long. I used to not be really good at picking my hair until I got the hang of it. I was like, oh my gosh, this is literally the best thing ever. I got in the hang of it. And just look at the difference. Like, I could kind of honestly just stop and leave my hair just like this, but I feel like I need to diffuse this side more. And this side of my hair gets like really hard-headed with me, so I have to pay more attention to this side. This is how my hair looks. This is how my hair looks right now. It looks so freaking good. Like, I love when my hair is like this, and I highly recommend you guys watching my curly hair routine video, because look at this. That is my full in-depth routine on how I diffuse my curly hair. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel to join the harmony to see more beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content from me. All the items that I mentioned in this video is linked down below. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.